Then nga Kuya Kev, first of congrats. Can you just talk to us lang about yung fourth quarter na nilaro mo? I think you had 16 of your 18 points in the fourth quarter alone. Can you just talk to us?
Of course, it's all by God's grace and total team effort. Coach Jong, Robert, Shawnee, everyone did what they're supposed to do, and it's just so happy na they had a great night. So very, very grateful.
Speaking of great night, definitely highlight ng gabi mo was the rare 5-point play that you completed. Can you just tell us what's running through your mind to particular na play na yan?
Well, ano naman, it's just a regular play. Pagdating sa post, we just running our post action, space the floor, and nag-collapse kay Bayo, then kinik out sa akin. So, it's a great shot kasi very rare yung 5-point play. So, bakit miss sa akin?
Yung, kasi parang malalim-lalim yung team nyo ngayon with Shawnee. Could you talk about lang yung bigaying depth nyo ngayon na mukhang yun sa mga reasons ba't maganda yung start?
Yes, definitely. Nakita nyo yung first 14 points ni Shawnee sa kanya. It's really great. Microwave siya na pagpasok di kailangan magpainit. They can manufacture shots, and that's great for a team na needed ng more scoring. So, Shawnee parang adds that to lineup namin. So, of course, Lord willing na pagdating ng playoffs na I hope na we get over the hump na makasemis naman kami sana.
Meron namin si Kiefer. He's making his college soon, very soon. Let's talk about him being nasa another level na palapit lang ng palapit sa pros. Ano sasabi mo lang sa kanya?
Ayun lang, I'm very happy for him that syempre with great syempre yung kung ano man meron ngayon, it comes with great responsibility na of course daming batang nanonood sa kanya ngayon, and everyone's watching him. But at the same time, syempre, remind him na be grounded. For example, like yung sabi ako siya kahapon, birthday niya kahapon, like yung mga celebration niya, sabi ko, buwasan mo naman yan, yung mga ganun. So, I know, syempre, maybe generation ngayon yan, ang daming celebration. But sabi ko, tone it down a bit. Mga ganun bagay. Sabi ko rin na, but of course, you wouldn't give added motivation sa makakalaban mo. And, yun lang.